Aside from bringing back the map reading skills, the map interrogation skills, that they would find themselves better informed about the human-environmental relationship over time across the Americas, and that they'll feel more confident talking about some of the contested environmental issues of the day, and as they play out over the course of history across the Americas.
I think they'll also be able to put those contemporary debates in historical context, allowing their students to understand the many factors that have contributed to contemporary circumstances.
The seminar will provide a unique opportunity for people to develop map reading skills that they can bring back to their classrooms, addressing specifically the issue of environmental history. This is a reproduction of a map by Edmund Halley, the famous astronomer, from about 1700. And among the things that would interest people in the seminar that we will be sure to talk about is, if you're wondering why there are palm trees in South America, in the cartouche here, that the decoration, the title decoration, even though palm trees are not native to South America, this is one of the issues that these maps can address in the context of this seminar.
Are you one of those people, you walk by a gallery, you see a historical map, and you can't help but pause? This is your chance to really look at these maps closely, to understand the stories they tell us about the human past, but more importantly, the human interactions with nature through the course of history, and how those have shaped our contemporary world. It's an exciting opportunity.